How to buy Keefer Bunny token. So this token came under the symbol of KFR. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 23 days ago. As you can see, this token, to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Now open your funds on my wallet. As you can see, now we'll just log into my wallet first to be able to buy this token. Now after that, click on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, now this is our token. Click on it. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, to select the provider, click on price and click on provider, and select the Jupiter, for example. Click on apply. Now go back and click here on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy KFR token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.